My review on the Singer Fashion Mate. I bought it about a year ago on Amazon. I don't normally buy on Amazon. First you want to plug it in and plug it into the wall. Put the pressure foot in there. This is computerized, so you'll have all kinds of numbers. You can change stitches with the up and down button, and then it has also where you can make 6 different buttonholes, and to thread it, it actually gives you a diagram. You want to put the spool in and then the spool holder so it doesn't fall out when the machine's moving. Then you want to put it in that, and you want to go down through there, and there's 2, and there's a 3, and then when you go up, you want to make sure that silver thing is up so the thread will go into it. And then, since I already have it threaded, I'm not going to do that. It also shows how much bobbin thread you have in the bobbin. And this part right here is a storage unit which holds other feet, buttons, buttonhole, and I made a little runners so when I have to move my machine it won't scratch up the table any more than it already is. And like I say, I bought it at Amazon for $100. I had it for a year, and outside of some needles breaking, it